x is equal to delta x divided by delta, y is equal to delta y divided by delta, z is equal to delta z divided by delta. Very good morning to my dear students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to have Quantitative Techniques 4th semester, Unit 4, Session 2 of BCom in favor of matrix and determinants. I already solved about the sum of the problems on matrixing, and we have got matrix, we have got determinants. Today we are going to have Cramer's rule. A rule is going to be applied for determinants are considered that we are going to solve now. We will move on to the problem now. Cramer's rule. So here row wise, column wise is this agenda of today is Cramer's rule. We are going to solve. What is actually Cramer's rule? So they will give this x, y, z. Three variables are there. One is x, one is y, one is z, and the numbers are there. So these variables have been rechanged. So first we solve for this. Delta is considered as it is. Then we'll enter to delta x. No, this number will be replaced 3, 2, 5. It will come 32, 31, 27. Second number retain the same. 2, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. In the next delta y, first number retain the same. Second number you have got 32, 31, 27, 5, 3. In the last session, we have got replace this one. It will retain the same. 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3. Here no 32, 31, 27. Find out the value of x. Find out the value of y. Find out the value of the z of the three variable. So what is the formula for that? X is equal to delta x divided by delta. Y is equal to delta y divided by delta. Z is equal to delta z divided by delta. So we have to find out. Once you find out, verify the result whether it is correct or not. We'll move on to the problem now. First one, delta. Numbers are 3, x follows 3, then 2, then 5. This is the value of x. Then value of y, 2, 5, 3. Then value of z, 5, 3, 2. Make like this. First is positive, second is negative, third is positive. This is the law we are going to apply. First is positive, second is negative, third is positive. We'll go ahead with this one. We take this one, 3. When you got this 3 and this 3, what is left over? 5, 3, 3, 2. So this over, then come back to minus 2. When you take the minus 2, what will happen now? This will go and this will go. What is left over? 2, 3, 5, 2. Then we have got plus 5. When this line will go, this row will go. What will have this column? This row will go. What is left over? 2, 5, 5, 3. Simplify this. 3. 5 2s are 10. 3 3s are 9. Minus 2. 2 2s are 4. While you are doing for this anti-clock, plus become minus, minus become plus. When you go this way, this is a clockwise as it is. When you go anti-clockwise, the positive number become negative number and negative number become the positive number. Here no, 2 2s are here no, 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are minus 15. Come back to 5. 2 3s are 6, minus 25. This is 3, 1, minus 2. This is minus 11, plus 5. 25 minus 6 is 19. 25 minus 6 minus 19 multiply. This is 3, minus into minus plus. This is 3, minus into 11 2s are 22. So 19 5s are minus 95. From 1995 you deduct 95 minus 22 minus 3 minus 70. So delta is equal to minus 70. This goes in favor of delta. Change over now. Second one, delta x. Change this figure. First it will come 32, 31, 27. This will come here. Second one, 253. Third one, 532. 532. So 32, 31, 532. Then we'll start. This is the plus minus, this is the plus. So plus minus plus. We'll start this. This is plus 32. When you write the 32 here, this row goes, this column goes. What is left over? 5, 3, 3, 2. Next you got minus 2. This row gone, this column gone. What is left over? 31, 3, 31, 3. Then 31, 3, 27, 2. Third one, plus 5. So this row gone, this column gone. What is left over? 31, 5. Then 27, 3. When you take this, no, this will go and this will go. This and this will be left over. We'll simplify this. 32. See that 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9. Then second one, minus 2. So 31 into 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 3, 62. Minus 81. Plus 5. 31 into 3, 93. Minus 27 into 5. 27 into 5. 135. Simplify. 32. This is 1 minus 2. 81 minus 62. 81 minus 62. Minus 19. Plus 5. My 135. Minus 93. Minus 42. This is 32. Minus plus 38. Minus 210. 210 minus 38 minus 32 minus 140. So delta x is equal to minus 140. Then delta y, shift over. First time 3 to 5. Second one 32, 31, 27. 32, 31, 27. Third number same 532. This is positive, this is negative, this is positive. Positive, negative, positive. Slow, we can go now. 3. So when you take this row goes, column goes, what is left over? 31, 3, 27, 2. 27, this is 2. Now, minus 32. So this will go, this will go. What is 2, 3, 5, 2. 2, 3, 5, 2. Last one, plus 5. This will go, this will go. 2, 31, 5, 27. Simplify this. 3, 31 into 2, 62, minus 81, minus 32, 2 2s are 4, minus 15, plus 5, 31 into 2, 62, 27s are 81, minus 32, 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15, here comes here, 5, 27 into 2, 54, minus 155. Simplify this. 3, 81 minus 62, minus 19. This is minus 32, minus 11, plus 5, 155, minus 54, minus 101. So 19 into 3, minus 57, minus into minus plus 32 into 11, 352, plus into minus, minus 101 into 5, 505. So 505, 505 plus 57 minus 352 minus 210. Delta y is equal to minus 210. Then we'll go to z now. Last one. Delta z. First one, 3 to 5. Second one, 2, 5, 3. Third one, change of place, 32, 31, 27. 32, 31, 27. Plus, minus, plus. We'll go slow now. You take 3 is the positive. So this will go and this will go. 5, 31, 3, 27, minus 2. So this will go and this will go. 2, 31, 5, 27, plus 32. So this column will go, this row will go. What is related? 2, 5, 5, 3. Simplify now. 3, 27 into 5, 27 into 5, 135 minus 31 into 3, minus 93, minus 2, 27 into 2, 54, minus 31 into 5, 155, plus 32, 2 3s are 6 minus 25. Simplify this. 3 135 minus 93 42 minus 2 155 minus 54 101 minus 101 plus this is plus 32 25 minus 6 minus 19. Simplify this. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Minus into minus plus 202. This is minus 32 into 19, 608. 608 minus 202 minus 126, 280 minus 280. This is delta Z. Apply. X is equal to delta X divided by delta is equal to, what's your delta X now? This is your delta minus 140 minus 70. Y is equal to delta Y divided by delta. Here delta Y is minus 210 divided by minus 70. Z is equal to delta Z divided by delta minus 280 divided by minus 70. Come back to first one. Minus minus cancelled out. So this is 2. This is 3. This is 4. So 2, 3, 4 is the answer. Verification. You take one equation. Any one equation you can take and verify. 3x plus 2y plus 5z. 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 32. Verify this. Substitute the values here for x, y, z. 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 5 into 4. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 5 4s are 20 is equal to 32. So 32 is equal to 32 proved. 32 is equal to 32 proved. So x value 3, y value, x value 2, y value, this is 2 for x, this is y, this is for z values. Hope you understand this. I will move on to next problem slowly. Same type. Second problem, same type. First you have to do for delta. Delta is equal to 4, 7, 3, 1. When you say y, 1, minus 1, plus 4, 2, z means 1z, 2. This is for delta. This is plus, minus, plus. 4. What is left over here? Minus 1, 1, 4, 2, minus 1. This will go and this will go. 7, 1, 3, 2. 7, 1, 3, 2. When you say plus 2, this will go and this will go. What is left over? 7, minus 1, 3, 4. 7, 1, 3, 4. Solve this. 4, 1 2s are minus 2, 4 1s are plus 4 become minus 4, minus 1, 7 2s are 14, minus 3, plus 2, 7 4s are 28, 3 1s are minus 3 become plus 3. Simplify. 4 minus 2 minus can be added. Minus 6 minus 1 1 plus 2, 28 plus 3 is 31. Minus 24 minus 1 plus 62. So 62 minus 1 minus 24. 27. Delta is 27. Come back to delta x now. Shift over. So first place it will come 778. Second one 1 minus 1 4. Second one 2 1 2. Simplify. This is plus minus plus. This is 7. 1 2s are minus 2. Plus 4 become minus 4. Come back to this will go. This will go and this will go. What is left over? 7 1 1 2. So this is minus 1. 7 2s are 14. 8 1s are minus 8. When you take the 2 here, this will go and this will left over. So plus 2. 7 4s are 28. 4 8 1s are plus 8. This is 7 minus 6 minus 1 plus 6 plus 2 36. Then minus 42 minus 6 plus 72. This is 72 minus 6 minus 42, 24. Repeat. Here 7 is there. 1 2s are 2, 4 1s are 4, minus 6. Second one is minus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 4, 2, 1, 2. Correct. Then come back to second one, minus 1. This will go and this will go. 7 2s are 14. 8 1s are minus 8. Then third one, plus 2 is there. Plus 2 is there. Then this will go and this will go. This plus 2, this will go and this will remain. 7 4s are 28. 8 1s are minus 8 become plus 8. 4 2 minus 6, 7 6 are 42. 7 into 6, 42. This is minus 42. Yes. Then minus 6, right? Then 72. 72 minus 6 minus 42, 24. Delta x is 24. Then delta y, write it here. Delta y 473, 473. Then 1 minus 1, no, delta over here, no. This become second one becomes 7, 7, 8, 7, 7, 8, 2, 1, 2. Change over, plus, minus, plus. Slowly we can do. You take here 4 minus 7 here, no, cancel this. This is 7, 7, 8. If we take the 4 here, the left out here, this will go, and what is left over? 7, 1, 8, 2 minus 7. You take the minus, this will go and this will go. 7, 1. When you take the 4, no, 7, 1, 8, 2. When you take this, no, 7, 1, 3, 2. When you take the plus 2, this will go and this will go. 7, 7, 3, 8. This is 4. 7 2s are 14, minus 8, minus 7. 7 2s are 14, minus 3, plus 2. 7 8s are 56, minus 21. This is 4. 14 minus 8 is 6, plus 6, minus 7. 14 minus 3 is 11, plus 2. 56 minus 21. 56 minus 21 is 35. This is 24 minus 77 plus 70. Simplify. 70 plus 24 minus 77. 70. Last one, delta Z. First one same, 473. Second one, 1 minus 1, 4. Third one, 7, 7, 8. Plus, minus, plus. Simplify. 4. 1 8s are minus 8. 4 7s are minus 28. Then come back, minus 1. So this will go and this will go. 7 8s are 56. 3 7s are 21. Plus 7. This will go and this will go. 7 4s are 28. 3 1s are minus 3 become plus 3. This is plus 3. So 4 minus 36 minus 1 here 21. 56 minus 21 35 plus 7 28 31. 36 into 4 144 minus 35 217. So 217 minus 35 minus 144 38. We'll go slow now. Delta x is equal to delta x divided by delta. First one, your delta is 27. Your delta x is equal to 24. divided by 27. Y is equal to delta y divided by delta. Your delta y is 17 divided by 27. Z is equal to delta z divided by delta 38 divided by 27. 24 divided by 27, 0.89. 17 divided by 27, 0.63. 38 divided by 27, 1.41. Simply apply. You take one equation, all fraction has come. 4x plus y, 4x plus y plus 2z is equal to 7. 4 into 0.89, 0.63, 2 into 1.41. 0.89 into 4, 3.56, 0.63, 1.41 into 2, 2.82. 2.82 plus 0.63 plus 3.56, 7.01. 7. So, 7 is equal to 7 proved. The fraction figure has come for x and y on same. When you solve it, you believe 7.01 is equal to 7 proved. LHS is equal to RHS. We have solved the two problems. Hope we'll move on to another 3 and 4 problems now. Hope you understand. We'll have another 3 or 4 problems on the same time. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.